how to make the Wi-Fi icon appear on the taskbar for Windows 10 and Windows 11. So if you don't see the Wi-Fi icon when you click the network on your taskbar, here's how to fix it. You want to right click on the start button, click on settings, and from here you want to go to the network and internet. Then you want to click on network troubleshooter, and it should open up this troubleshooter right here. Now you want to select all network adapters like this, and then click on next and wait for it to detect any problems and suggest the fixes. Then you want to select from here, I'm having a different problem. Then you can basically click on the second one, click on next, and wait for it to diagnose the problem. Now, if that still does not work for you, here's what you can do. You can close this, and then you can click on network reset, and then click on reset now. This will basically reset your network and restart your computer. Now, once you restart your computer, you want to go back to the network and internet section in the settings, and then you want to click on change adapter options. Then it should open up this window right here. Now make sure your Wi-Fi network right here is not disabled. So if you see it gray like this, it means it's disabled. You want to go to your Wi-Fi network, right click on it, and then click enable and wait for it to be enabled. Now once this is enabled, you want to right click on it and then click on diagnose, and then just wait for it to find any problems. And if it finds any problems, it should tell you what's going on and how to fix it. So basically, in this case, it didn't find anything. So you can close this. Now, after running the diagnose, it should basically fix the problem. And you should be able to see your Wi-Fi icon on the taskbar again. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.